What's up everyone, this is your Russian sidekick on the kitchen again, and in this video I'm going to show you the best recipe for the best cookies ever. The cookie we call Curabier is just like a shortbread cookies with a little bit of jam on the top. It is really easy to make, it just melts in your mouth, it's super tender and sweet. So let's jump into it. I'll show you the ingredients you need for it. So what would you need is 3/4 of a cup of sugar. You just drop it in there. And then it's 4 sticks of butter. I'm gonna use this margarine I'm using for baking all the time. It's really good, and that's what we were using the most. We were using margarine when I was working at the bakery in Ukraine. I let it on the table for about 4 hours and it became really soft. And then we need 1 egg. And now we can just mix it all together. You want to start on slow because it's gonna just throw everything around. And then after you see that everything is combined here, then you can add the speed. Then you have to beat it until it's gonna be really fluffy and tender. And when all the sugar is melted, that means it's good to add the flour. Just to make sure that all of the sugar is mixing all together without staying on the walls here. So then we can turn it on and keep going. Okay, I think this is good. So let me just see. Yeah, sugar is almost melted. So I'm just gonna, if you can see that it's like the butter is really fluffy, it's really nice, and that means it's ready. So I'm just gonna clean these. So I have 4 cups of flour here, and I might not need all of it because if you add too much, it's gonna be too hard to make the cookies afterwards, because I'm gonna use my decorating bag to make the cookies. I'll show you a little bit later, but I'm gonna throw almost all of the flour here. I will just leave a little bit just for a case if it's not good enough. I will add it, all of it. But then I'm just gonna use my hand and I'm just gonna do really slow and nice. Don't beat it because we wanna stay fluffy. So I don't think I'm gonna add the rest of the flour. Let me just show this to you. When you can like make these, you can make hole like this and you can see that wall standing up, it means that this dough is really good. You don't need any more flour. You can add it, it will not hurt your cookies, but it's gonna be super hard to make him. I have this new bag here. It's a company Ateco. It's a canvas bag. It's pretty big. I think it's 18 inches. Yeah, made in USA. It's pretty good. I really like it more than plastic because I used to work with the canvas decorating bags, and they're more durable, so you can work with really hard stuff. So I'm just gonna drop all of these butter that I make in the bag here, and as you can see, it's kind of like doesn't stick to hands too much anymore. And then longer it's gonna stay there, harder it's gonna be to work with it. So you have to do it faster if you don't want to struggle. I have all of the butter here in my bag. I will leave all of the links in the description if you want to get one. I'm gonna use this tip. It's an open start tip. I really like this one more than I was using before. And I'm gonna use this bag and put just a regular jam like this. It's just like a jam that you used to spread on your bread, and put it in another bag. You can use your imagination for the shapes wherever you want, but I'm gonna use this classic one. I'm just gonna do this flower shape, and I'm kind of pushing it more to the bottom to make a hole for the jam. You can also make like sticks, or you can make seashells like that. So then, when you have your cookies, you just need to drop like a little bit of jam here. I'm gonna send it to an oven, preheat oven to 350 for. I usually set a timer for 15 minutes, and then it takes like 2 or 3 minutes more to get it done. So it just have to be really nice and golden. I'll show you how it should looks in the end. And actually the time depends on your type of oven. It's not take a lot of time. It takes like an hour for you to make. It's really fast. You have to put a little bit of effort into it, but the end result is amazing. I promise you, your friends and your family will love these cookies forever. It's something new for here because we know that like everyone makes the same cookies here, so it's your time to shine. And this is how much we get in the end and how they looks like. So if you really enjoyed this recipe, please subscribe to my channel and leave comments below if you have any questions. I hope you will enjoy this recipe. My family really enjoys it, and good luck with these cookies, and I'll see you.